You walk into a supplement store and drop $150 on a new tub of whey isolate, a fat burner, and a pre-workout, feeling like you've finally taken control of your health. But 6 months later, you look in the mirror and realize your body hasn't changed at all. You watch other people get in incredible shape, talk about their personal records, and you wonder what they know that you don't. Here is what is actually happening. It is not that you are bad at fitness. It is that you have developed a set of habits that feel completely normal, habits that millions of people share, but that quietly drain your physical future without ever triggering an alarm. My name is Nick, and I have spent years watching people hit their first real fitness milestones and then completely sabotage their future by mishandling their habits. Most of the fitness advice you find online is either filled with confusing jargon or dangerous quick fixes designed to separate you from your hard-earned cash. Today, we're breaking down the healthy supplement lie that is keeping you skinny fat, and I'm going to show you the boring, unsexy system that actually works. If you're ready to stop letting this engineered system keep you soft and start building the physique you actually deserve, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. Let's get into it. The biggest trap catching almost everyone is the psychology of purchased progress, which comes directly from buying for your fantasy self. Your pantry is full of $60 protein powders, specialized pre-workouts, and expensive vitamins for a version of yourself that doesn't actually exist. You buy the fat burner because the fantasy self is shredded, and the purchase feels aspirational, forward-thinking, like an investment in a better version of yourself. But the better version never quite materializes, and you are left with expensive proof of intentions that went nowhere. The problem is when buying becomes a substitute for doing, when acquisition masquerades as action. Purchasing the costume tricks your brain into thinking you have done the hard work, while your actual physique stays completely stagnant. Then we have the trap of eating engineered health foods, which operates on the exact same logic as spending to save in finance. You buy protein brownies, keto cookies, and low-calorie chips, thinking you're making responsible choices. The logic feels airtight, but you're falling for one of the most effective psychological traps in modern marketing. These products carry a health halo, engineered by the food industry to make you feel like you won something, but your body doesn't read the marketing label. The fitness industry wants you spending unconsciously, using pricing algorithms and marketing budgets to manufacture desire for things you didn't know you wanted. When you eat highly processed junk just because it says high protein on the wrapper, you're consuming ghost calories that spike your insulin and lock you into a psychological cycle of constant, inescapable hunger. Let's be honest about the math, because the brutal truth is that your body operates on a strict biological ledger. You cannot out-supplement a terrible diet, just like you cannot frugal your way to wealth. When you rely on these expensive powders and snacks, you're reacting instead of planning, surprised at the end of each month by your lack of progress instead of being in control from the beginning. Obsessing over small details, like which fat burner to buy, while ignoring your total caloric intake, is a recipe for staying exactly where you are. The solution isn't more willpower, it is better architecture. The difference between staying skinny fat and building real muscle is a collection of boring, unsexy, unglamorous habits that compound over time into serious physical results. Instead of buying supplements, automate your nutrition. Eat the same 4 or 5 staple meals that you rotate weekly. When you cook the same meals repeatedly, you know exactly what your macros are. Budgeting your calories becomes straightforward, and the mental energy of constantly deciding what to eat vanishes entirely. Get your protein from whole foods: chicken, beef, eggs, and fish. Real food takes real digestive effort to break down, keeps you full, and naturally controls your appetite. The structure provides freedom rather than constraint. Motivation is garbage.
Motivation gets you excited about buying a new supplement, but motivation disappears the moment life gets hard or you feel tired. Systems are what keep you going when motivation fails. Your physical transformation requires patience, discipline, and the understanding that building an impressive physique is a decades-long process rather than an overnight transformation. The next time you're tempted to buy a magic powder, pause, realize the industry is trying to extract wealth from you, and redirect that energy into your actual training and nutrition. Your money either works for corporations or works for you, and your health is exactly the same. The choice is entirely yours, and you're making it right now. Start building your unsexy system today, and I'll see you in the next video.